Do you want to make $1,500 using just your computer or mobile phone for free? Stay with me because I'm about to show you how to join and farm the Nexus airdrop. It's quick, it's simple, and the potential payoff could be huge. Don't overthink it. If you miss out, you'll be kicking yourself later. Before we start, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'll keep you updated on the best crypto opportunities to grow your bag. What is Nexus? Nexus is no ordinary crypto project. Think of it as a supercomputer powered by decentralized devices. It's modular, scalable, open source, and uses cutting-edge zero-knowledge tech, ZK. They've raised $27.2 million from major players like Pantera Capital and Dragonfly. These investors don't throw money around. They back winners. Right now, Nexus is running a test net until December 13th, and this is your chance to farm points that could turn into real money during their potential airdrop. Estimated earnings, up to $1,500. How to get started. 1. Open your browser on your computer or phone. 2. Visit beta.nexus.xyz. Go to the profile section, bottom left. 4. Sign up with your email and verify it via the link they send. 5. Back on the homepage, click Connect to start mining Nexus points directly from your browser. That's it. No fancy setup, no costs, just passive farming while your device does all the work. Why this matters? Let me remind you why this is exciting. Nexus isn't some random project. The tech is solid, the investors are legit, and the potential is real. Past airdrops like Uniswap or Arbitrum handed out thousands of dollars to early participants. This could be your chance to join the next wave. Quick tips. Use the platform actively during the testnet. Projects love rewarding early engagement. Stay updated by following their social media channels for any announcements. Share this with your friends. You might get bonuses for referrals. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button and drop a comment below. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/jinxofafrica for more tips and crypto gems. Final thoughts. This is as simple as it gets. Free money for minimal effort. The Nexus airdrop could be your next big win, and you've got nothing to lose by joining. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and stick around. I've got more airdrop opportunities and crypto strategies coming your way. Let's make the most of this crypto gold rush.